Hi, my name is Jeff, and this is another of my tips and tricks on how to improve your online marketing through your building your reputation. The first thing I would like to talk about is brand marketing. Your brand should be the same, it should be identical everywhere you go. For instance, my business name is Reputation Marketing Specialist. My domain name is reputationmarketingspecialist.com.au. My Google business profile is Reputation Marketing Specialist. My Facebook business page is Reputation Marketing Specialist. And everywhere you go, you should have, if possible, the same particular wording on your business name. When this happens, Google can put your listings all together and show them on the first page of Google because it can find it so easily. So this is one of the most important things you can do. Have your address consistent all the way through. Have your phone number consistent. I always use my mobile number for my phone. I don't make a combination of mobile and landline. I keep it all the same and consistent. Google likes this. Google can reward you with better listings. If you're struggling with any of this and you can't set it up yourself, just get in touch with me because I know exactly how to do it, and I do it for a lot of people, and I can make it a lot easier for you. Just contact me with the details below and I will be able to get you started. Thank you. Have a great day.